In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see blocked users on Discord. By the end, you'll know exactly where Discord keeps your blocked and ignored lists, how to review them, and how to unblock someone if you've changed your mind. Start by opening Discord and looking to the very bottom left corner of the window. You'll see a small gear icon next to your profile area. That's the User Settings button. Click it to open your settings. This is where Discord groups all your personal preferences, so anytime you're adjusting account, privacy, or appearance options, you'll be doing it here. Once the settings panel is open, look along the left-hand sidebar for a section labeled Content and Social. Go ahead and select it. This section covers features that affect how you interact with content and people on Discord, so it's the natural place for your block and ignore controls to live. If Discord recently updated, the wording might shift slightly, but you're looking for Content and Social in that main list. With Content and Social open, scroll all the way to the bottom of that page. There, you'll find the lists you're after. One that shows accounts you've blocked, and another that shows users you've ignored. Blocked users are people you've explicitly blocked, which limits how they can interact with you. Ignored users are typically people whose friend requests you've dismissed or skipped. Seeing both in one place makes it easy to review who's on each list and decide if anything needs to change. Take a moment to scan through the names. If you have a long history on Discord, don't be surprised if the list is longer than you remember. Blocking can be useful in the moment, but situations change, and this is a good place to tidy things up. If you spot someone you want to allow again, you can unblock them right from this screen. Look for the unblock option next to their name and click it. That immediately removes the block. Unblocking doesn't send a notification, and it doesn't automatically add them as a friend. It simply lifts the restrictions so you can interact normally again, like sending messages or receiving friend requests, subject to your privacy settings. And that's all there is to it. Click the gear icon, go to Content and Social, scroll to the bottom, review your blocked and ignored users, and unblock anyone you want to restore. Simple, quick, and a great way to keep your Discord experience clean and in your control.